Hello guys, how are you? My name is Sang Yoon, and today I want to show you about our printing facilities, especially for printing parts. We started this business since 2008 and we have 20 employees and we have 2 factories now. Hopefully this video will good for your business. And
somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby. Oh, somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue, clouds high over the rainbow, makes all your dreams come true. Ooh, someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind.